Inside the prestigious golf and upscale vacation community of Reunion, only 6 miles from Walt Disney World Resort, with an awe-inspiring view of the 9th hole on the signature Jack Nicklaus golf course, we would like to invite you on a tour of Be Our Guest Cottage. This 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath home is one of the most extravagantly themed homes per square foot you will ever find. The landing will electrify the senses, complete with a multi-cade, jukebox, billiards, multiple TVs, and a custom-themed bar with built-in refrigerator. The richly themed 7-seat movie theater will transport your family to a galaxy far, far away, complete with an arcade classic and the latest in console gaming technology. Prepare to inspire the kids in the fantastically themed superhero room that includes a spiraling slide to keep the fun going all trip long. The princess will be enchanted as they stay in a snow-capped Norwegian village, complete with sparkling skylights and a staircase built for royalty. The adult bedrooms will take you on a tour of some of Western Europe's most sought-after countries to visit, including France, England, and Italy, all having king-sized beds and ensuite bathrooms. The kitchen includes bar seating for 4, and the dining table accommodates up to 10. The kitchen and family room open to your pool and hot tub with amazing golf course views. This is the opportunity for your friends and family at the ultimate in luxury, fun, and togetherness at Reunion's Be Our Guest Cottage.